Okay, let's have a look at question 15. Remy invests £600 for 5 years in a savings account. By the end of the 5 years, he has received a total of £75 simple interest. Work out the annual rate of simple interest. And if you look down here, they're looking for a percentage. So Remy has invested £600 for 5 years. 5 years at £600 means in his bank account he will have £3,000. The interest he got was £75. Okay, so £75 as a percentage of 3,000. 75 as a fraction of 3,000 times 100 is going to give us 2.5%. So we can go ahead and write that in. 2.5% interest. So this question is a little bit ambiguous, and there is another way, an alternative way that the question could be read and understood. So we're just going to do this alternate derivation. So you can see it done both ways. Okay, so we originally read the question that Remy invests £600 each year for 5 years. But the question could also be read that Remy invests one lump sum of £600 and he leaves it in the savings account for 5 years just to gain interest. Okay, it's not clear from the question which they mean. So the way that you would work it out for this would be that he gains £75 total interest on his £600 that he's left in there for 5 years. So to work out how much interest that is per year, we need to divide 75 by the 5 years, which will give us £15. So it's £15 per year interest that the £600 has given him. So what is that as a percentage? So £15 per year as a percentage of 600 is going to be 15 divided by 600 times 100 to get a percent, which will give us 2.5%. So you can see that the answer is the same. We've just used a different calculation to get there. So either the first calculation or the second calculation will still get you the 3 marks. Okay, when you get an ambiguous question like this that could be read or interpreted in a couple of ways, then the mark scheme will generally allow for that.